Hello learners, welcome to my channel. If you have been searching for smart ways to upgrade your skills, earn certificate and boost your career without spending a single rupees, you are in the right place. Today I am bringing you an exciting list of Udemy certificate courses that can enroll in completely free using special coupon codes. These courses covers everything from AI and machine learning and data science, design and even personal development. The best part, once you apply these coupon codes, you will get a lifetime access to the course, meaning you can learn at your own pace, revisit the content anytime, and keep those certificates forever. Whether you are preparing for interviews, polishing a resume, or simply exploring new skills, these free coupons are a golden opportunity to grow without limits. But there is a catch. This coupon doesn't last forever. Some expires within hours, so you need to act fast to secure your spot. That's why I'll guide you step by step in this video, so how to apply the coupon codes correctly, so you can never miss out. And before we dive in, make sure you hit the like, subscribe and tap the bell icon, so you will always be the first to know when new free courses and certification drops. So let's get started. Unlock your next Udemy certification today and take one more steps towards building the future you deserve. So the first certification course is Scrum Master certification. So rating is 4.7 and you will have a 2 practice test, and the coupon code for this course is this. You can copy this coupon code and screenshot of this and apply it on the coupon section on the Udemy app. And the second course is Generative AI Foundation Certificate course. So it is a 1-hour course where you'll understand the concept behind the generative AI and how the LLM and text to image system works. And you can go to the content, and coupon code for this course is this. Just take a screenshot of this second course and you can avail the coupons. And third certification course is Learn the Python programming language. It is a 2.5 hours of course. So we'll learn to use Python professionally, understand complex topics, and build a complete understanding of Python from the ground up. And this is the content. So it is a 2.5 hours of course. Make use of this course, and coupon for this third course is this is the third coupon. Just take a screenshot of this, or you can scan it using a Gemini. And fourth course is Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence beginner courses. So it is a 1 hour of course. So in this you will understand AI and machine learning concept, and also understand how AI get introduced to NLP, computer vision and robotics. So as I said, like it is a 1 hour course. Here is a table of content. It is short course, and coupon code for this is this is the fourth course coupon code. You can copy this or take a screenshot of it. So fifth course is Become HTML Hero. So it is a 1.5 hours of course, and rating you can see it's 4.3. So in this you'll learn from expert guidance, industry experts with years of experience in web development, and also you can work on real world projects. So these are the table of contents. So it will be good for beginners who want to learn HTML from basics, and coupon code for this is so for HTML code, this is the coupon code. Just take a screenshot of it. And sixth course is business analysis. So it is an assessment type where you will get a hands-on experience in gaining the certificate, and coupon code for this is sixth code is this one. You can take a screenshot of it. And seventh course is social media video editing with Canva, CapCut and Premium Pro. So it is a 5 years of course. So you will learn how Canva work interface, can learn how editing works, and created Instagram reels with Facebook reels, everything. So make use of this course. This is a table of content, and coupon code for this is so this is the coupon code. Make use of this code and utilize the access. And eighth course is Adobe Premium Pro. For beginner level it is. So it is a 3.5 hours of course where you'll understand how to use Adobe Premium Pro, make audio adjustment and improve your audio for better videos. So here's a table of content. So it is 3.5 hours. Make use of it, this course. And coupon code for this is, so for 8th course, this is the coupon code. Just take a screenshot of it and apply on the coupon section on Udemy app, and you will get a free certification course for lifetime access. And 8th course is Advanced CapCut course, learners professional video editing. So it is a 5 hours of course where you will deep into CapCut powerful features and use CapCut tools to bring your creative visions to life. You can see already like 24,000 of students have enrolled for this course. And here's a table of content. You can go through it, and coupon code for this course is so 9th course. This is the coupon code. Just to make use of this code and last 10th course is a hands-on SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Queries, Azure Studio. So it is a 2 hours of course where you will have a detailed step-by-step procedure of SQL Server installation and how can practice SQL Server, and you will have a hands-on experience with the SQL Azure Studios. So this is a table of content. So there are total 8 sections, and you'll have a quiz at last and also a practice assessment activities. It is a 2 hours of course and coupon code for the last. So this is the coupon code for the 10th course. You can apply this code and redeem the courses on Udemy. That's it for today's, guys. I hope you found some amazing courses to boost your skills and take your career to the next level. Remember, this course expires quickly, so grab them while you are still active. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates for free certifications, make sure to hit like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you will never miss the last chance. And here's something special, and if you need any special courses for free, just comment the courses name below. I will try to bring it up in the next video with the latest coupon codes. Share this video with your friends and colleagues because learning is always better together. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.